In today's fast-paced world, where most of our food comes wrapped in plastic and grown thousands of miles away, having a small kitchen garden at home isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle choice. Whether you live in a suburban house in the UK or a small apartment in the US, growing your own food brings countless benefits to your health, your wallet, and even the planet. Let's break it down into 4 key reasons why every home should have a kitchen garden. Imagine picking a handful of fresh basil for your pasta or harvesting ripe cherry tomatoes for your salad, all from your own garden. That's the magic of a kitchen garden. Most supermarket vegetables travel long distances before they reach your plate. During transport, they lose nutrients, freshness, and flavor. In contrast, homegrown vegetables are chemical-free, freshly picked, and nutrient-rich. Growing your own food means you control what goes into your body. You can skip the harmful pesticides, use natural compost, and enjoy truly organic meals. Even small spaces like balconies, patios, or windowsills can produce herbs and microgreens. When you start eating what you grow, your meals become more colorful, your diet more balanced, and your connection with food more meaningful. Gardening is one of the simplest and most natural ways to reduce stress. In both the UK and the USA, studies show that spending just 30 minutes a day gardening can lower blood pressure, improve mood, and boost mental clarity. When you garden, you're not only nurturing plants, you're nurturing yourself. The process of watering, pruning, or planting seeds releases serotonin and dopamine, the happy hormones that combat anxiety and depression. It's also great physical exercise. Bending, digging, and lifting pots burn calories and strengthen muscles. For those working long hours indoors, spending time outdoors in fresh air can restore energy and improve sleep quality. And for families with kids, a kitchen garden is a natural classroom. It teaches patience, responsibility, and the importance of healthy eating from a young age. Let's face it, fresh produce can be expensive, especially organic options. A kitchen garden helps you save money while eating better. A small patch of land, or even a few pots, can yield herbs, lettuce, and vegetables worth hundreds of dollars over a growing season. For example, one tomato plant can produce up to 10 pounds of tomatoes. A single mint or basil plant can keep growing for months. Home composting reduces kitchen waste and turns scraps into free fertilizer. It's a sustainable cycle. You grow, you eat, you reuse. No plastic packaging, no food miles, and no leftover waste from spoiled store-bought veggies. In an age of inflation and global food insecurity, a home garden isn't just a hobby. It's a smart financial decision. When you grow your own food, you're taking a direct step toward protecting the planet. Each bag of vegetables at the supermarket has a hidden carbon footprint, from transport fuel to plastic wrapping. Growing at home cuts that out entirely. Kitchen gardens also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, helping maintain biodiversity in your area. Even a few potted plants on a balcony can support urban wildlife. Moreover, plants naturally absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, improving the air quality around your home. By composting organic waste, you prevent methane emissions from landfills, one of the biggest contributors to climate change. In short, a kitchen garden is your personal contribution to a greener, healthier planet. A kitchen garden isn't just about growing vegetables. It's about growing happiness, health, and hope. It reconnects us with nature in a world dominated by screens and schedules. It saves money, improves mental health, and makes your home more sustainable. Whether you have a large backyard in Texas or a sunny windowsill in London, you can start today. Plant a few herbs, nurture them, and watch your small effort turn into something truly rewarding. Because when you grow your own food, you grow a better life.